want to give a special thanks to Zuru Mini Brands for sending this to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector, and today we are taking a look at Zuru Mini Brands Mini Minis Fill the Fridge with 60 plus mini foods to collect. Ooh, it sounds like a good time to use our pop-up kitchen. So let's just open it up, lay down the counters. Now this kitchen does have a refrigerator. However, there's a Zuru Mini Brands Mini Minis Fill the Fridge that has LED/UV, comes with exclusive Create Minis. At the bottom it says UV glue, batteries included. Fridge really lights up, fridge drawers really open. Decorate with real fridge magnets. So we get a fridge, 2 exclusive mini minis, 1 ice scoop, 1 fridge magnet. And at the bottom, we can see that there is a whole kitchen that we can collect, which is awesome. But what's the scale? Because I keep seeing the word mini minis. See that? Right there. If we look at the pictures on the back, we can see that this top handle is coming to about the height of the counters. And that's this handle right here. When compared to the height of my crafted counters, you can see that it's a little shorter. So let's bring in a doll for a little size comparison. The handle is coming to right about here on the doll. So the counters might be a little short for our 11.5-inch dolls. But just looking at it right here, I think the fridge could still work, but might be a better height for a shorter doll, like a petite. I put Glinda on a petite made-to-move body. This doll stands around 10 inches, and the fridge is around 9 3/4. Let's pull the tab, remove the wrappers to see the fridge. It's turquoise with silver handles and white trim. I'm not seeing any logos. It's just nice and smooth, and in the back, there are sculpted coils, if that's what they're called. This is where we find the battery, and there's a switch, so we can turn it from LED to UV. Let's open it up. And inside, we have 3 paper bags, a nice size instruction booklet, and more instructions, and more instructions. The fridge has a light, a drawer, and in the bottom, there are more drawers with little sculpted details. Do you see that? The drawers come out, and in the bags, we have shelves that we can place inside the fridge. The shelf that goes at the top says UV, so you know that this is the one that goes with the light. You know, the UV light, if you plan on using that feature. Then we can attach the other shelves, and the fridge is good to go. In the next bag, we find a can of Olipop. Y'all, do you remember when we made labels for our doubles that were inspired by Olipop? Only those cans were a little too large, but this one looks totally a good size for the dollhouse. And here it is with the doll, and yeah, I think it's a good size. Here's our Mini Brands pantry, and we're just gonna grab this little Froggy Pop right quick. There's definitely a size difference, so I'm really happy that we now have one to scale. Let's open the fridge and place the Olipop inside. Here's the ice scoop. It's a silver color and it looks pretty good. There's a refrigerator magnet that looks like a watermelon. On the back, you can see the magnet, and we can just place it on the fridge. It's easy to attach to the front, however, it does not stick on the side. In our last bag, we have another bag, as well as a small bottle of jelly glue, a cover, and a tiny jelly mold. The mold is flexible, so I wonder if I can use hot glue. Now we're gonna experiment here. There is a possibility that things could go horribly wrong and I ruin this mold. I add hot glue to the mold very carefully, then allow it to cool. Now it's time to find out if we can remove it. I have done this before with other molds and it did not go so well, but wait a minute. Look at that. we can remove it. So yay! We can use hot glue with the mold. Now this is a pretty small Jell-O mold with the doll, but it could still be a smaller serving, so I say it works. Let's try using colored glue sticks. Let's try a little orange hot glue. It's cold, so let's remove it from the mold. And now we have orange gelatin. Well, not real gelatin, but you know what I mean. Now green. This is so much fun. And now the dolls have a new flavor. With a little hot glue, we can make as many as we want. Oh, we should probably open this bag. Inside, we find little tiny oranges that we could have put in the mold. We get 3, and I don't think they'll be visible in our hot glue, so I'm just gonna keep these separate. Oh, and we get a plate that we can place the gelatin on, then add the cover and place it in the fridge. All right, now we need more stuff. We also get some tongs that look like a good size for our doll kitchen. Now let's continue to fill the fridge. The under wrapper of this capsule is a light turquoise color. It does say fill the fridge on the side and find the rare Create Minis. Let's pull the tab, remove the wrapper, pull the tab again, remove the under wrapper, and open the capsule. Inside, we find the collector's guide showing a few legendary minis. Then we have iconic, luxury, ultra rare, where we find more Olipop. Then there is rare, with a few soft pretzels and Jell-O products at the bottom. On the other side, we find common, including Cool Whip, we've seen that before, some Hershey's syrup, tater tots, and Pizza Hut. I think that's a turmeric shot, and kombucha, okay. Then we have some broccoli, love that. That looks like chia seed pudding, and then we have some more items at the bottom, and then we have mini refrigerator magnets. That's kind of cool. But what's the scale? In this capsule, I got 6 bags, 3 that are turquoise and 3 that are yellow. And we got another refrigerator magnet. They are flat, so we could probably DIY a few of our own. Let's open the yellow bags and see what we have here. It's a bottle of mayo. It has painted details and stickers and is finished all the way around. It looks like a good size for the dolls, so let's place it in the fridge. And then we get an iconic mini. Here it is with the doll. And we have an empty box of deli ham. In our first green bag, we find a bag of broccoli florets. Awesome! I really wanted this. We get a little plastic bag and all the broccoli pieces are stuck together. And we get oats jar. Oh, it's oats, not chia seeds. It's kind of cute, and I think the top can be removed. Yeah, it can, and then you can see fruit inside. And I'm really liking the scale with the dolls. In the last bag for this capsule, we find bottled water. So yeah, we got 6 minis in this capsule that we can use to fill the fridge. Opening our second capsule, let's see how many bags are inside. We got 6 and a new magnet for the refrigerator. In the first bag, we get a small container of Philadelphia cream cheese. The top does not seem to open, and this is an empty box of bagel bites. In the last yellow bag, we find zesty Italian dressing. Here it is with the doll. I could be wrong, but that one looks a little underscale to me, but not too bad. And this bag gives us a little container of eggplant. It has a little plastic wrapper over it. That's kind of cool. I love finding the fruits and veggies. And then it's a cooked lobster in a plastic bag. Here's the underside. If you get doubles, you could probably open a few if you wanted to. And we got our first double, bottled water. But I like water, so yay. Those are the 6 items from our second capsule. Let's put the water on the door. Let's put the bagel bites in the freezer. And the lobster, is that supposed to go in the freezer? I don't know. Looking good after 2 capsules. And the fridge is a pretty decent weight. Everything's not shaking around. when I close the door. Opening our third capsule, I got the same magnet. We got 6 bags, and in the first one, we got the lobster. So we now got a pair. Oh, but I did say if we got doubles, we should totally open it. So let's do that. I made a small cut on the end so we can remove it without destroying the bag. And you can see that the top is painted. It even has eyes. So there you go. In the next bag, we get the turmeric shot. Love that. Nice to see the dolls getting their antioxidants. Let's see what's next. This is a bottle of juice. There's a little painted detail at the top, and it looks like there is printed fruit as well. In the next bag, we get a small plastic pizza box from Pizza Hut. We've seen something similar before. It can open and there's a pizza inside. It's removable. There's a little texture and painted details. With the dolls, it's kind of like a personal pizza. And next, we find an empty box and a double. Bagel bites. In the last bag for this capsule, we get Olipop. Classic grape. I just love the design for Olipop. I think it's adorable. And those are our minis to fill the fridge. Capsule number 4. We got a pizza magnet and 6 bags. Confession? When I saw that these were mini minis, I thought the scale was going to be a lot smaller. But I am so happy to be wrong, and I like the size with the dolls. Well, the Cool Whip might be a little on the small side, but when I heard mini, I was kind of expecting this size, which we saw in Series 5. You know, these, where there were 2 of the same minis in different scales. But with these new Fill the Fridge minis, when compared to some of our older mini brands, they are smaller, giving us more options, and we can just go with the one we like the best. Like here, I think I would choose the mini cream cheese. Back to opening these minis. Here we have Kraft Singles. It feels like there is foam inside. And this is a Pizza Hut double. And here we have another cooked lobster. This makes 3. What's this? Let's see. It is... Oh, it's a bag of ice. That's pretty cool. It's a plastic bag, it's closed with a rubber band, and all those ice cubes feel separate. And we can use it with the ice scoop. In the last bag, we find another turmeric shot. I wouldn't have minded if the Cool Whip and the ice were a little larger, but overall, not too bad. Capsule number 5. We got an ice cream magnet. In this capsule, we have 2 yellow bags, one with a mini that says 100% pork, and the Pizza Hut big dinner box with minis that are removable. We have 5 green bags. This one is pretty heavy. I think we're getting some UV glue here. Yep, it's one of the legendary Create minis with a plate and a cover, a new flexible mold, 2 bottles of UV glue, sliced fruit and a leaf, and tongs. I fill the mold with yellow hot glue, mix brown paint and Mod Podge. Once the glue cools, let's remove it. I add the Mod Podge mixture to the plate, place the hot glue pudding on top, and then add more glue so we can add the leaf and sliced fruit, then allow it to dry. While waiting, let's check out the other minis. We got a little fruit tray. That's pretty cool, and it does open. We can remove the fruit, but some pieces are stuck together. Here's a tiny bag with a tiny bottle of syrup. Here it is with the doll. I do think it's a little small. However, these small bottles could exist, and I just don't know about it. There we go. But I do think getting the syrup and the fruit tray with the pudding is kind of perfect. In the next bag, we get fresh fish, and it's covered in plastic. And in the last bag for this capsule, we have a large box with a unicorn cake from Baskin-Robbins, where we can open the box and remove the cake for the dolls to enjoy. So we got 7 minis out of that capsule. And that cake is going to take up a lot of space in the fridge. Unless we're supposed to put it in the freezer, because I think it's an ice cream cake. Well, let's just pretend they're about to serve it, so we'll keep it there. And our fridge is just about full, but I think we can do one more. Capsule number 6 gives us another ice cream magnet and 6 bags, with the first one having a mini bottle of milk. Here it is with the doll. I'm gonna say that one looks like a single serving. And then we have a jar of kombucha, which looks like a nice size for the dollhouse. And we have a container of lamb chops. It is covered in plastic, and you can see all of those details inside. It does look like they are stuck together. In this bag, we find a triple. I guess the dolls really like bagel bites. And here we have... It's another triple. Okay, this one is from Pizza Hut. It's the same pizza. And in the last bag, we find a tub of ice cream from Baskin-Robbins. This one is Oreo cookies and cream. It doesn't seem like the top can be removed, but let's place it in the freezer along with more bagel bites. And I'm gonna put the lamb chops in there too. Then place the remaining items in the fridge. I think fill the fridge is a super cute idea. I like the design of the fridge, I like that a light comes on, and that many of the minis work with our 1/6 scale world, more or less. I like that we're getting fruits and veggies, and that I was able to use hot glue with the molds. And I'm excited to see the other appliances to see how they fit in the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Zuru Mini Brands Mini Minis Fill the Fridge. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!